Piping hot. Beautiful. Nice crunchy vegetables. That lovely crispy top in there. That's fabulous, fabulous. So in here we've got pasta, broccoli, cauliflower, zucchini, peppers, carrots, a nice selection of vegetables, any selection you like actually, with a nice tomato, simple tomato, garlic sauce, and I've made this lovely crumble topping here with sesame seeds, walnuts, breadcrumbs. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. This is vegan. So let's take a look at what we have here. I've got there 2 cans of tomatoes. They were a whole plum tomato. I just crushed them roughly with my hand. I've got some cooked pasta. Now you can use any pasta you want. I'm using fusilli. There's 250 grams that I cooked. Then I've got 1 onion sliced, 1 tablespoon of garlic, and 2 teaspoons of oregano. And then the vegetables. You can go for anything you like. I'm going to go for these zucchini, yellow peppers, carrots, broccoli, and cauliflower. Now, these 3 guys, what I've done with these is I just blanched them a little bit, just to kind of get them on their way, so we can just put them straight in. So yeah, they're slightly cooked. That's about it. It's really easy. We're going to get started first by making this very simple tomato sauce. So a really simple, easy tomato sauce. I've got some oil in there. I'm using some olive oil. We're going to drop in that onion and that tablespoon of garlic, and you can see here and here we're on quite a high heat. 3 minutes, I'll be back. So 3 minutes just to get those onions and garlic on the way. I'm now going to add in some salt, some black pepper, and then I'm going to add in that 2 teaspoons of oregano. Now I use oregano, it's kind of my go-to thing really, I suppose, for anything slightly Italian, but you could use basil, thyme, rosemary, or even get a few, you know, bits of chili in here, chili flakes or something. Okay, very simply, 2 cans of tomatoes. So 1 can is 400 ml, so that's 800 ml, regular sized cans. Then what we're going to do, we're going to lower the heat to just below a medium, and we're going to let this go very simply for 7 to 8 minutes. Just want to cook those tomatoes out. Really, really easy tomato sauce here. So while the sauce is being made, you're going to need a container or a roasting tin that can go in the oven. I'm using metal. You can use glass or you could use ceramic. I've got my pasta in there. I'm now going to drop in the broccoli, the bell peppers, the carrots, which I've made really nice and chunky, the cauliflower, and the zucchini. Again, really chunky there. And of course you could be putting in some mushrooms in here or anything else. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to give that a little mix with my hand. And then once the sauce is ready, we're going to pour the sauce over that and then get some topping on it. Beautiful. Okay, beautiful. Really simple, easy tomato sauce. Off goes the heat. We're going to pour that over our pasta and vegetables. Okay, so I'm going to get a spoon in here now and just mix that all in. I'll be back in a moment. Okay, so I'll give that a nice little mix there. What we're going to do now is make a really simple crumble, a nut topping for this. But before we do that, get your oven on. 200C, which I think is just under 400. I actually think it's 392F. Yeah, get that nice and hot, ready, preheated. Let's do this beautiful topping. So I've got 1 cup here of breadcrumbs, and then I've got some sesame seeds and some crushed walnuts, like half a cup maybe of each. and about the same of a light soy sauce, and we're going to add some olive oil to this. So there you go, there's the breadcrumbs. We're going to add the sesame seeds, and we're going to add the walnuts. Now you can use sunflower seeds in this, pumpkin seeds, peanuts, anything you like really. Then we're going to add the half a cup of light soy, and then you want some oil in there, probably about half a cup again. You want to get it nice and moist. I'm going to go with a little bit more oil. And that is beautiful. Okay, and then very simply, we're just going to get our crumble topping on, and we're going to pop this in the oven. It's going to go in the oven, like I said, at 200 C for about 25 minutes. And we've got a really beautiful vegetable, tomato, garlic pasta bake. We just spread that out over the top there. Wonderful. I'll see you in about 20-25 minutes. There you go, 25 minutes in the oven. We've got a lovely crumbly top, nice tomato, garlic sauce underneath that, and beautiful vegetables with the pasta. Wonderful stuff. Hope you enjoyed that. I'll see you really, really soon. Keep safe, keep well. Lots of love. Thank you so much indeed for watching our videos. It means a great deal to us. Please do hit the thumbs up for us if you like it. Thumbs down if you don't, I suppose. Yeah, don't do that. Just do that. Yeah, and subscribe to us. That would really help us out a lot. We just hit 100 million views. We're very excited about that. We would love if you could support what we're doing. We don't do any ads or endorse any products at all, even though we're offered it quite a lot. A lot of it rubbish, to be honest. But yeah, we don't want to be doing that. So we've got a little PayPal thing. If you want to buy us a coffee, just a couple of dollars or whatever you want, you can just follow the link, which should be about here now. And yeah, pay me some money. I'm broke. Lots of love.